Good morning, dear students and viewers. Today's our topic is very challenging and very important. IELTS 7 band challenge. IELTS to clear IELTS is a dream of everybody. Is it your dream?
Yes.
आपका ड्रीम है कितने बैंड लाने का कम से कम? 7. ओके. तो आइल्स में आपको कितने पैरामीटर होते हैं और कौन से आपको इजी लगते हैं? कौन से पैरामीटर होते हैं और कौन से आपको ज्यादा इजी लगते हैं? दीक्षा.
There are 4 parameters: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. But easiest parameters are speaking and listening for me.
राइट, यू आर राइट. दो पैरामीटर जिसके अंदर आप बैंड स्कोर बहुत आसानी से बढ़ा सकते हैं वो है लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग. बट स्पीकिंग के डूज एंड डोंट के ऊपर हम आज बात कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि जब तक हम प्लान नहीं करेंगे हम 7 बैंड नहीं ले सकते. सिर्फ एक प्रिपरेशन इज ए वन पार्ट एंड अटेम्प्ट इज ए सेकेंड पार्ट. If you are unable to attempt properly, you will never get the desired band. If you want to get a desired band, you have to plan and execute. And what planning and execute says, first we must have to understand bifurcation. कि कैसे जो 9 बैंड होते हैं टोटल, उसके अंदर जो हमारी स्पीकिंग है जो कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ 3 पार्ट, if one is introduction or warm up section, क्यू कार्ड एंड फॉलो अप, दीज आर द 3 पार्ट. इसको कैसे इसके अंदर हमारे को मैक्सिमम मार्क्स, इवन यू कैन गेट द 9 आल्सो, बट हाउ यू विल, उसके बारे में हम आपको बता रहे हैं. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट इज इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट, वेयर यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ. एंड इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए हमने पहले भी आपको एक हमारी जो वीडियो है आप उसमें दे सकते हैं. हमने बहुत इजी इंट्रोडक्शन, जैसे यू ज्वाइन यस्टरडे and I gave you a tip on introduction. And can you give me the introduction on high five?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me how you can introduce yourself, because yesterday you were quite upset
Yes,
while introducing yourself. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now I give you a tip on the high five. Can you introduce yourself on high five?
Sir, firstly we have to tell you a name.
Hi, now please tell me.
Name, then
No, I got it. Now you speak. You give your introduction according to the high five.
Sir, my name is Arshdeep Singh. I belong to Ambala Camp, which is located in Haryana. It is famous for its garment market. I am pursuing in class 12th in Arun Public School of Ambala Camp only. My hobbies are in sports. I have played badminton and kabaddi tournaments also. My future goal is to complete IELTS and complete my IELTS and for my higher education
Great.
and go abroad for my higher education.
Great. Arshdeep, now you looks to be very comfortable in introduction. So do you feel that you have been benefited by the high five?
Yes, sir.
So go ahead with all these things. Dear viewers, you can also just view and review our old so-called video in which we have given a high five introduction, so your introduction part will be covered. Second part is a very important, which is for 4 band, that is a cue card. Cue card is some references, some paragraph is given, and where they will ask you what, when, where, and all these things. But in this cue card you have to be very particular about the past tense. So this is like a cue card. Describe a time when you saw something special on social media. When you saw, which is the form. From here you have to understand what the examiner is asking. See, saw, seen are the 3 form.
Yes.
And second form is saw. That means ये कौन सा टेंस है? पास्ट टेंस. ये सेकंड फॉर्म है तो पास्ट टेंस है. जहां आपसे पास्ट की बात पूछी जाएगी वहां आंसर किस में देंगे अपन? पास्ट में. Describe a time when you saw something special on social media. When it was, how you will reply, Diksha? What you saw, on a social media? When it was, where you saw, what you saw, why you think it was interesting? Can you speak on this?
Yes.
Please speak.
Well, there are many things which I saw unique and special on social media. But here I would like to talk about a time. Last year, my friend told me about a special website which is very unique and special for in everyone's life. It is based on technology of how to use mobile phones.
Okay, thank you very much. So you are using specifically past tense. I got a mobile phone from my parents. I saw it on this site, and like that, maximum time of the things you were using the past tense, and in this past tense, second form of the verb plays a vital role. So, dear viewers and students, you have to perfect your past tense. पास्ट टेंस के अंदर जैसे हमने आपको बताया था तिथि जब आएंगे वर्स वर्ब को लाएंगे एंड सेकंड इज ए सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब जो आपकी वर्ब्स हैं आप उसको अच्छी तरह से आपको उनको याद भी करना है उसको आपको क्योंकि यू हैव टू यूज इट ओवर एंड अगेन यू हैव टू यूज इट ओवर एंड अगेन फॉर द यू सो यू हैव टू बी very familiar with that. Suppose if I have to use for the second form of the verb in go, what are the three forms of go? Go and gone. We have to be very familiar with the second form of the verb. And lastly, जब हम past perfect की बात करते हैं had plus verb की कौन सी form लगती है? Third form. Right? So these are the all things. And please focus on all these things and follow is again a three band where you have to be they will take your opinion, they will ask you whether you agree or you disagree, right? And you have to be close the things in the follow. And again I would like to tell you that opening and closing are the most important thing in any speech, in any speaking. So please try to find out opening introduction should be perfect followed by cue card which is 4 band and you must say the wrapping of the things because the crux of the things you have to highlight that on which thing you have you spoke for at least 2-3 minutes on a cue card but you left wrapping of the things or you are not highlighting that but that means you are missing something and you should not miss that. Please consolidate or please close your talk by joining it, by highlighting it that you have completed the lines. I wish you all the best for your exams and we at Wave Overseas are with you. We will make you through. You can contact us on our mobile phone, on our WhatsApp number. You can just subscribe our YouTube channel, Freestyle IELTS and Speaking by Atul Ujha. Thank you very much for viewing. Thanks a lot.